Sure, building a website on your own is thrilling, but have you considered the long term? Is SEO part of your plan? Do you have an environment built for sustainable e-commerce and the overall growth of your company? Welcome to Fuze7 Marketing, where we discuss complex marketing strategies and tactics, including website design and development with e-commerce in mind. Let's chat about how Fuze7's team of talented, experienced website designers and developers are able to maximize e-commerce conversions with calculated steps. Designing a site for optimal user experience includes building a user interface that facilitates purchasing actions and streamlines that process. If your customer has to jump through several pages to get to a purchasing decision page, you may quickly lose them. That decision moment can be fleeting, and you need to strike while the iron is hot. To capture this, Fuze7 developers will build a schematic of your site, keeping marketing in mind. How will your digital ads interact with your website, and what pages will you point your customers to? What information do they need to know before they are ready to purchase? These are complex questions we tackle routinely. Ask us how we build plans for your site, like a solid foundation, long before the actual building begins. Have you built a list of core features and benefits for each of your products? What, at a glance, separates your products or services from others? Imagine a customer skimming your product pages for the first time, looking for the keywords that align with their expectations. Plan to build your product pages based on accommodating the right amount of text to succinctly describe your product. Next, are there elements of your products that can shine through design and customer interaction? Fuze7 developers will take your website a step further by programming this functionality into your site, elevating the level of professionalism and class present to the viewer. We live in a mobile world. Planes, trains, automobiles, and cell phones. We've come a long way from room-sized computers doing advanced math to tiny computers that fit in the palm of your hand. Likewise, your website needs to grow to match these advancements. It's estimated that by 2035, 85% of all public e-commerce will be via mobile devices. Ensuring your website is mobile responsive isn't an exercise of first building your site and then optimizing for mobile. Instead, these actions need to take place simultaneously. Intelligent, experienced, informed web design and development involves the development of a mobile responsive site as the overall project progresses. Imagine being a customer yourself and getting confused on the very last step before that product you're excited about becomes yours. Simplifying the checkout process is vital to avoiding purchasing drop-off and abandoned cart issues. Adding payment method options, gathering only necessary customer info, and having the billing and shipping addresses on the same page are some core components to making checkout that much easier. Show a preview of the products being purchased next to the info boxes the customer is filling out to maintain excitement, making things ultra clear and straightforward. Websites aren't a set it and forget it type of effort. Start with a basic template, but update it over the months and years as technology advances. Have an SEO plan and be constantly updating it with new terms relevant to pop culture, your products, and advancements in the digital landscape. The most efficient way to stay on top of trends and continually improve your website is to hire a website developer that is dedicated and willing to stay with you long term, such as Fuze7 and our team. At Fuze7 Marketing, success is measured by our clients' success. Our know-how for generating sales via online promotions isn't limited to just a few approaches. Ask us about more outside-the-box ideas, and make sure to check out our other videos for more topics and inspiration. Join us at Fuze7 Marketing and let's propel your brand forward together. Call 503-830-0355 or send an email to info@fuze7.com and we'll get back to you very soon.